Hey everybody, Dennis again. In this feature I'm going to bring together a lot of the effects that I have already discussed in some of the other segments and kind of put them all together in kind of a more complex result. And in this particular case we're going to use cut and trim, keyframing, chroma key, pitch shifting, and a couple of other transitions and musical elements. So what I'm about to show you, though, I have to give a upfront warning. If you were born without a funny bone, or if you don't find puns in the least bit humorous, then I warn you that what you're about to see may be disturbing. So you've been warned. And if you continue to watch, enjoy, but I warned you.
You were right, Andy. We're not stranded on an island. This is clearly a peninsula, just like you said. I'm really sorry for saying you were full of hot air.
That's okay, Charlie. I've been kicked around all my life. I'm used to it. But sticking to my opinion is just how I roll.
Well, just to net it out, I truly apologize. I should have been more open to bouncing ideas around.
That's quite all right, Charlie. Don't let it turn you into a basket case. Our goal is now just to find our way back to civilization.
That's a good idea. I have to be back in court this afternoon anyway. Let's roll.
So you had your warning, and I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, this is Dennis for Power Director from Cyberlink. Bye.